This 2016 Jayco Jay Feather X17Z is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.